Alright class, welcome to part 2 of drawing a square to size. Alright class, let's say that we want to draw ourselves a square with a square of perfect size 7 centimeters each side. So I want a 7 centimeter square. Now, as was said in last lecture, and maybe I should have been a little more clear, whatever we want, we need to multiply that by square root of 2 over 2, or 1 divided by square root of 2. In other words, we could just divide by square root of 2, 1 over square root of 2. Sorry, we could say that again. We could divide our desired length by square root of 2. The reason why we do this is because this is not proper notation. Whenever you have a square root in the denominator, usually we change that. So I had to multiply the bottom by a square root of 2 and top by a square root of 2, and I got this. I did that in the last video. But when we do these problems, I think it is easier to just divide by square root of 2. You'll see what I mean. Now, this value, square root of 2 divided by 2, is 0.707. So if you're going to plug this into your calculator, you could just multiply by 0.707. Again, this is the same as dividing 7 centimeters by square root of 2. And what I get is 4.95 centimeters. This is what I'm going to set my compass at. Alright, now I've actually spent a long time trying to get this exactly at about what I think is 4.95. Let's see how this goes. Okay, and so here I'm just going to make sure that my line here, my pencil goes right through that centerpiece before I make my spots here. Alright, and notice when I am going to draw from point to point, it is a nice 7 centimeters. Messed up there, but no worries. Alright, I'm really happy with my square. Now let me try and clean it up as best as possible. Alright, and there is my square with a length or a sides of 7 centimeters. Looks pretty good. My corners are a little shaky, but hey, it's a nice square.